about deformed bamboo gum production naman. Take it away, Sir
Yes.
Butch.
Thank you. This was actually developed we developed this years ago in a plantation in Capiz, AirDB plantation in Capiz actually. So it's just an opportunistic study because we have the plantation taking the opportunity. So we tried to do this. I think somebody or some of you are all already doing this, but we did this our way. How to deform bamboo cam production technology. Okay? Kung makakareklamo lang yung kawayan na straight yung kawayan, bakit mo ako i-deform? So, yes. So, this is the outline of the presentation. Recommended species, how to prepare the molds, the selection of shoots, the installation of the molds, the monitoring of the deformed bamboo comes, how to dismantle it, maintenance, harvesting, and then treatment. Okay, very fast. Okay, let me go back. Yes, this is actually the deformed. So actually, you are deforming the bamboo calm while it is growing. So the concept is, the idea is, always the bamboo will look for sunlight because sunlight is a basic requirement for their growth. So anything you put on top of the growing bamboo, it will look for sunlight. Okay? So yun po yung idea po ng deforming of bamboo calms. Recommended bamboo species, we actually tried this in the 4 species of the plantation, and only 2 species responded well, the Kawayan Tinik and the Bayog. Okay, so fabrication of molds, you need to have the molds, different curved molds made of GI sheets or PVC pipes and fittings could be used as mold. These are made of 2 parts to facilitate assembly and dismantling. So this is the design actually of the if you can follow my arrow, this is the design of the deformed bamboo calm when you harvest it. So ito po yung zigzag. Okay. Selection of shoots. Bamboo shoots emerge during rainy season. So shoots with at least 8 cm in diameter with a height of 45 centimeters should be considered. So 1:2 or 2:3 in terms of diameter, height, growth. Ito lang po yung palatandaan. Okay. And then we install the molds. Clean the surrounding of the shoot. Then assemble the mold and mount directly on top of the emerging shoot. Okay. Make sure that the mold is just above the tip of the shoot. Okay, as I said earlier, because the growing shoot will just follow the sunlight. Okay, so if it's not really right on top of the shoot, so maybe the tip of the shoot will grow somewhere else. Will follow the direction of the sunlight. Okay, fasten the mold on the adjacent columns or installed stakes. Okay, so here now is the picture on how this would look like. So at the tip of this mold is the opening, and then actually the column, the shoot will grow following the direction of the mold inside this whole structure, as you can see. And then in about 3 to 1 month's time, lalabas na yan dito yung calm. It will keep on growing, no, till its peak height. Okay. Now, even after the calm got out of the molds, you can now actually dismantle the molds. Okay. So monitoring of deformed bamboo calms, conduct regular monitoring of the installed structure to check if the alterations in the shape of deviations of the shoots from the curves of the molds as they grow. Okay, monitor lang po natin. And then in the dismantling of the mold, dismantle the molds by untying the wires. This will be done once the COM emerges 2 feet outside the top end. Then tie the deformed COM on adjacent COM to avoid alterations caused by strong winds. No? So this is it. If you're going to dismantle it, ito na yung itsura niya. Okay? This is just this was dismantled right after the shoots got out of the top end of the mold. No, may sheet pa siya, and then the COM or the pole is colored it's dull, very dull green actually. But in due time, maybe a month after or even 2 months after, it will turn back to green yung color niya. Okay, so this is it. This is now the deformed COM. No? Okay, so harvest the deformed COM when they are 2.5 to 3 years old. Okay, this is now the deformed COM, still growing in the plantation. Okay, so the best time to harvest is during the dry season. And then treatment and storage of harvested deformed COMs, cleaned and cut in its actual length. Soak the COMs running water for 3 weeks. Ito po yung traditional way of doing it. Or you can apply chemicals and then air dry under the shade. So in coastal areas, it is best to soak it in seawater. This treatment removes the starch content of insect pests. After the starch content of the bamboo COMs actually, this is typo error. Okay. After treating, the deformed bamboo COMs are classified according to their shapes and pile. Make sure that the COMs are not in contact with the soil and ground matter to avoid termite infestation and fungal infestation. Now, uses of this deformed, no, you can use it as for furniture parts, no, so fixtures. We tried to use this headrest or sa rocking chairs, or just simply inside decor for your sala, or any other. You can use your creativity on what you're going to do with this deformed bamboo COMs. So before I end, I'd like to acknowledge my partner, my worker. We worked on this and other bamboo researchers. Is now based in Iloilo and doing consultancy work. Actually, he has a number of bamboo projects right now. He is Neil Higare. I don't know, some of you knows him. And he's a good friend of mine, and anything you need in terms of bamboo, you can contact him in Iloilo. So with that, thank you very much and good day to one and all.